Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be sampling this Piranha 24-inch mountain bike. This has come from Argos and we paid £140 for it. So we're just going to see what needs assembling inside this box. Right friends, as you can see there's not much to assemble because most of the parts are already pre-assembled. So we're going to be assembling the handlebar and the stem and also the front wheel and the seat stem here. Okay. These are the accessories. And the tools already being provided. We're just going to fit the front tire and it has a rotation, so always follow the rotation sign. There you go. That's the rotation here, just here. Okay, so this is how you're gonna fit it. Before we put the tire, we're just gonna disengage the front wheel brakes, just like that, so that we can slide the tire. Just gonna do the safety washers, one on each side. Okay, that was the rotation sign I mentioned earlier. Okay. Just gonna tighten the handlebar stem. Okay, that's enough. And now we're gonna adjust the handlebar and also adjust the brake levers. That's enough. Just gonna make sure that the brake levers are all nicely secured. I'm gonna do the handles. You got a right hand side here and the left hand side. Right hand side has got the normal thread, just a normal thread. So we're gonna do the right hand side first. Left hand side paddle has got the reverse thread. Now we're going to be doing the reflectors and the bell. Just going to do the reflectors now. Okay, just gonna make sure that the brake pads and the calipers, the V brakes, they are nicely secured. The front tire is not spinning freely, so I'm going to be doing a final adjustment. Better now. Okay, right friends, thank you very much for watching the video.